How to redeem Buffalo Wild Wings points. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can redeem Buffalo Wild Wings reward points. For this, open up any web browser and head over to buffalowildwings.sa. Once you're over here, you can redeem your points and special offers through the Wild Herd rewards. You can also do this if you are using the Buffalo Wild Wings application. If you don't have the app, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Now, if you do not want to redeem the points through any website or app, then for dine-in, you can select the offer and click on the Redeem Reward option. Select the restaurant you are dining in. Reward details are shown together with the coupon barcode. Ask for the restaurant crew to scan the coupon barcode. Upon successful scanning, the coupon offer will be applied to your total bill. If it is for delivery or pickup, you want to select the offer and click on the Redeem Reward option. Then select the restaurant you are dining in. Reward details are shown together with the coupon code. Upon successful validation, promo code is applied to your total bill. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.